Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to download SlothWeb if you're having issues installing it, or if you're just having, or if you just don't know how to install it. Well, you can watch this video here. So we're going to go back to my email that I sent, and you're going to go to the SlothWeb homepage if you want to. That's an option. SlothWeb installers is where you can install SlothWeb. If you click it, it will take you to this little file from GitHub. This file will contain your, your installer. For Linux computers or Linux distribution, you can use this link. If you're using a Windows, you can use this link, or if you're using a Mac or Apple computer, you can use that link. For me, I'm using a Windows, so I can go to that URL and use the file. I just gotta press this little download button over here, install, and bam, there's the file. We can press the little run button, or you can go into your files and double click it. Now, this publisher could not be verified, obviously. Well, it's me. Run. It's trying to install Python currently since, unfortunately, you probably don't have Python. So now we're just waiting for it to do it. Now for me, it might say some other stuff. For you, it might say some other stuff since I've already installed SlothWeb. Yeah, see, requirement already satisfied. That means I've already downloaded Python. Alright, once it gets to this part, you can look at the message that I sent to you in here. I say installation complete. You can visit the website for extensions. Now, the website currently doesn't work with SlothWeb yet. Now you can run SlothWeb by this, and have a nice day. You can press any key, it'll close that down, and check this out. We have SlothWeb installed. You can double click it. This will pop up, and SlothWeb should open. You can check for updates, but there's literally going to be no updates when you first install it, because it's literally getting the newest file. So we can go into settings. Now, unfortunately, if we press OK again, go back into settings, it's going to say it's dark. There are some bugs that I'm still trying to work out. And we have a private search engine copyrighted by Google because, you know, I made this in Google, but Google's not going to steal any of your stuff. They're not allowed to do that. And you can search for things. In here, you can also search in the web browser thing by typing in hello. And then maybe like green. Now you can't just do hello because it's going to go to hello.com, but you can do hello space green, and it will. Yeah. If you're having any other issues, you can check out our troubleshooting page with SlothWeb by going back into the email you got and going to the SlothWeb homepage. Sure. After you go to the SlothWeb homepage, you will see, you know, the usual download installer and other stuff. We're going to keep scrolling down to not updating. If you play this video here, it'll show you what to do if your SlothWeb isn't updating. If you're having other issues, you can go to the Issues tab and find other issues that people are having. If there are other issues, then that means the issue currently hasn't been fixed and is still waiting to be fixed by me. We can go to the wiki page over here. This is the SlothWeb wiki. If you're having troubleshooting issues, you can go to the troubleshooting page over here and look for what to do. But that's not going to contain a lot of our troubleshooting. The troubleshooting wiki page, that was just a link. This is going to be a page. This is where you can find the stuff. Python not found, ensure, dependencies fail, do this, shortcuts not working. There, you can report issues here. If it's not updating, you can follow this tutorial. That's all the troubleshooting we have for now. And remember, you can find other things like the overview installation requirements, the launching, the features, the keyboard shortcuts, the troubleshooting, and the not updating problems. Also, you can find contributing and forking/remixing. If you do use forking/remixing, if you scroll down here, forking/remixing, see this file for forking/remixing. Remixing and forking is just like if you want to make your own version of SlothWeb. You can go here. If you're going to remix or fork this project, please credit me. Actually though, please credit me. This is the SlothWeb icon. Now if you want to see it, you have to view the raw file by clicking the raw button, and bam, there's the SlothWeb icon. The icon is used for many things for Sloth Web. For example, this little icon here and the little icon for the page thing. Currently, I am still working on other things for Sloth Web, but that's currently it. You can try Sloth Web, try the search engine. You can see the version here. And if you want to directly find your installer without having to go to installer.bat and then look, you can just click on which one you are. Linux, Mac, or Windows. Whatever one you prefer. If you want to see Sloth Web source code, you can go to browser.python, py for Python. And you can see the source code for Sloth Web. I'm going to scroll through this very fast. There it is. If you want to see the homepage of Sloth Web, this is it. If you want to see the installer source code, you can go to whichever one you want, and there's the source code for the installers. I'm not going to scroll through all of it. And yeah. Now, if you want to download Sloth Web, but whenever you download it, if you go into the installer.bat file here, and you look for which one it is, and you don't see yours there, unfortunately, Chrome users, phone users, iPhone users, and, okay, currently, any phone users or any Chrome users, we are currently trying to make it work for Android and Chrome. I want to make that work for it, but I haven't done that yet. Currently, it's only just for these. Now, if you are running a Mac computer like Ubuntu or something that is Linux, if you know what Linux is while you're running your computer, which you should, if you know what Linux is, it will be this download link. Trust me. Okay? If it doesn't work for some reason, then the operating system has different code to do different things. Just let me know in the issues tab, and I can fix it. Issues. If you're running a Mac or Apple computer, you may think that, oh, well, it's also a Linux, so I'm just going to use Linux. Again, it is different code, so you want to use the Mac or Apple thing, because it is going to be different code if you look at each one. Windows for Microsoft, it's going to be totally different. Look, it's .bat instead of .sh. I can make it .sh, but .bat just works better. Again, the installers for everything else, you just go to the site, you can press the download button. There will always be a download button there for your thing, and that should work fine. Remember, issues, you can report an issue in the issues tab by pressing new issue and writing what you have to say about what the problem is with Sloth Web, and I will try to get to your issue as soon as possible. That's just my profile pic. I display it there. Yeah, if you go back into the email, we have the Sloth Web wiki. For the wiki, the installers, the main Sloth Web page, which will just take you directly to, should just directly take you to this page, but it doesn't. Oh, wait. If you press this button, it'll directly take you to the page. Now look at it, it's just the page, nothing else above or below. If you need help installing, remember, my video is right here, so you can always replay it at that link. There's a YouTube link. But that's all I'm going to have to say for this video. If I missed something or you need help with something else, you can contact me in the issues tab or just send me an email, and I will try to get to you as soon as possible. Well, I'll see you in the next Sloth Web video. Goodbye.